welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to check for stocks. Let's begin with Reliance. So I'm going to do a comparison between August as well as September. Okay, we'll start. So this is August month, week 1, 2, 3 and 4. You could see the pattern. Open was here and close was here, so almost a sideways decay or the positive decay for the August month. Now September month, this was the open and then this is day 4. As you could see, it has chosen a small range, so this becomes the resistance and this becomes the support. Also the previous SL has been hunt here. Okay, so this zone is already taken down, so maybe it can go up. Okay, let's confirm more in the OI. We'll take for HDFC Bank, similar pattern. Okay, so you could see August month 1, 2, 3, it was sideways, but then week 4 open was here and close was here. So this is definitely because of the USA news regarding the tariff. Now September is here, which is a new start week, and then you could see it's taking support. Okay, this is the new support and this becomes the new resistance for September month. Let's have more confirmation in the OI. So we have ICICI Bank, similar pattern is observed here. So this becomes the support and this becomes the new resistance for ICICI for August. Okay, now we'll move on to the OI. So I'm going to take Trading Tick website where we are going to compare the OI, the total against the daily OI. So first off, I'm going to check is Reliance. So here in the Reliance, you could clearly see that the put writers are more. That's why markets were going up, and this is the reason Nifty was going up. As you could see here, this action actually was the same pattern observed for Nifty as well. I'll show you in the charts. And when you check for overall, call writers are more for Reliance. Okay, now we'll take HDFC Bank. Okay, so this is HDFC Bank. So here also call writing is more, and for today put writers are more in the market. Okay, so this was also second half it was trending, first half not so trending. When you check for ICICI Bank, it was sideways almost. You could see when you compare the price action and OI, you can clearly view the comparison of how the price action and OI go hand in hand. But when you check for overall, resistance is more in the market. Now in the Nifty Trader website, we might try to uncover the close range resistance and support. So we have resistance here, Reliance here, sorry. So this is the close resistance and support, and this is the at the money, and then 78 and 28. So almost too much call writers are there, so that acts as the resistance for Reliance. Okay, now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, this is at the money, and this is the support and resistance 59 and 27. Clearly resistance is more in the market for HDFC Bank. Okay, now we'll go and check for ICICI. So this is for ICICI Bank. At the money is 1400. When you check OTM, it's 18 and 5. So here also call writers are definitely more, which acts as a resistance, and this is the support and resistance. Okay, now we would move on to the straddle points, which is kind of very important to check how the stocks, the strike prices were performing. Okay, now first we'll take is Reliance. Let me open the Reliance chart for you. Okay, let me take Reliance. So I am taking 15 minutes chart so that we can see the price action in a more clear way. Okay, so this is the price action. First half it was not so trending, second half it went trending. Okay, when you check for open, it is sorry, this is HDFC. let me take Reliance. Okay, so this is Reliance. When you check for open, it's 70, right? 1370, and then you could see it was a positive trade, almost 1 points. Now we'll calculate the PNL. So we'll calculate the PNL. So positive decay is 1 point positive, which is open minus close. So here is the open and here is the close. Pretty straightforward. You could see it was inside a channel. That means it's a sideways day. Okay, so if you take one lot for Reliance, that is 500 times 1 was the positive decay. If you multiply them in 500 positive 500 plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so it was a profitable trade for Reliance straddle. So this is the symbol for straddle, and then you could see it just went sideways. So on just 1 point, because it is the first 15 days of the month, the decay is very slow. Okay, we'll try to analyze for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. So second half it was very trending, and then when you check for open, it was 40. So today it was like an SL hunting day for HDFC, because 950 was a very good support. So it just went to 40, just hunting 10 points SL here. So let me explain in the chart. Okay, so 50, this is a very good support. Okay, now this was pure SL hunting zone. Okay, then after hunting all the SL, it came back to same support. Okay, so resistance is like 1k just nearby, and then you could see from 35 it came down to 31. So it's a 4 points decay, and that's considered as a very good decay. Though price action was up, you can see that HDFC, it is showing positive because of the decay. So the delta value changes the perception here. Okay, then you check for ICICI Bank, the open was 90 and the same pattern 43 to 41, 1 points decay. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel for valuable and informative contents.